This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WKYC. We will continue to serve the Cleveland area. If you are not in this local area, tune into stations providing news and information for your local area. This is the emergency alert system serving the Cleveland area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this pertains to a dark and unfortunate discovery made by NASA. Officials at NASA have discovered a very large and extremely dangerous asteroid, named 2020 BS 525, that is on a direct collision course with Earth, and will impact our planet within the next 30 minutes, and will land in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. This asteroid is approximately 4.5 miles in diameter. It is ranking a 10 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, meaning that a collision is certain, and is capable of causing a global climactic catastrophe. Since this asteroid is so close to Earth, and was discovered at such a late time, there is nothing humanity can do to prevent an event like this. There is no way to deflect the asteroid away from Earth, as it is too large, and too close to the Earth. The impact will cause an extinction-level event, wiping out all life on Earth as we know it. When the asteroid impacts, the Earth will be shattered beyond recognition. Colossal mega-tsunamis of 5,000 feet or higher will occur. Supermassive mega-earthquakes of 10.0 on the Richter scale will occur. A fast-moving firestorm will engulf the Earth, making the surface temperature 2,000 degrees Celsius. And the vaporized rock will block out the sun for at least 20 to 30 years. Official advice from the United States government goes as follows. Since humanity cannot survive this catastrophe, gather the people closest to you, such as your family and friends, and prepare for your final 30 minutes of life on Earth. If you are part of a religious domination, pray to your higher being or beings and repent. There is no place to evacuate or seek shelter. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode if you want to. Engage in any activity that pleases you. The President has selected a verse of the Bible to be read on the air. Joshua 1:9. This is my command, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. This broadcast will now conclude with the final playing of our national anthem. Goodbye, and God bless. An administrative message from the United States government. This is an all-clear message. I repeat, this is an all-clear message. The message sent 5 minutes ago about an asteroid colliding with Earth was a fake. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has stated that there is in fact no asteroid colliding with Earth. Officials at the FBI have discovered that the emergency alert system was hacked by a group of hackers from an unknown origin. The reason why they did this was to cause mass panic among the public and to celebrate April Fool's Day. The hackers have been arrested just outside the city of Cleveland, Ohio, and have been given 20 years to life in prison for a misdemeanor for inducing panic. All residents may continue your normal living at this time. I repeat, the message sent about an asteroid hitting Earth was a fake, and everyone may continue your normal living. The United States government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.